How to find review activity settings on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your activity settings on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, click on here on your profile icon like this, and you will see here three lines. Click on it, click settings, click accounts, and here you will see review activity. Click on it, and as you see here, you can see all your reviews, and that's how to find the review activity settings. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.